An unforgettable day in Naharkhoran Park with family. So let's keep watching till the end. Guys, what's up? Here's another video from Jason the Adventurer. This week we'll travel to Gorgan city in Golestan province in north of Iran. Gorgan city has many tourist attractions and today we'll check the best one. Naharkhoran is 8 kilometers south of Gorgan. In the past, pilgrims passed through this forest and they had lunch, or in Persian accent, Nahar, on the slopes of mountains in the south of Gorgan. That's why we call it Naharkhoran. Forests are famous for their living things. There live some animals here like boar, jackal, bat, mouse, and being careful is one of the key elements for camping here, especially at night. Here's the end of this lovely show. As always, I don't say goodbye, and instead of that, I want you to watch one of these videos. See you.